In this ukulele tutorial, Christmas tutorial, play along, sing along, this one is part of our Christmas series. This one's going to be really fun. It's in 3/4, and this one is I Wish You a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. All right, so welcome to Ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter. I appreciate you being here. And if you haven't done so already and you're into this video, which is a tutorial, ukulele tutorial, we're going to do some playing, we'll do some singing, we got a killer backing track, or Guitarlele, baritone as well. We do that all right here on my channel. As far as also I meant reviews for ukuleles, baritone, guitars. This is a channel for you. Please subscribe and turn on that bell notification. This is part of our Christmas series that we're doing. So we're doing a bunch of different Christmas songs. So check out all the other videos we have if you dig Christmas songs. As we do this, it's always best to have the sheet music and then the backing track, which we're going to play with at the end, which is absolutely phenomenal, as always, by my man Pear. You can get all that for free. So even though we got everything on the screen for you, we got the chords, we got the strumming, and we got the cursor moving along, but if you actually want the sheet music in front of you, that has the chords, that has the melody, that has everything you need. Just click that link below and you can get that. So this one's in 3/4. D, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. All right, now, where do you get all your awesome music from, Terry? Great question for you. Well, first of all, before I show you any of these, all these are available at my store. That's the #1 store online, store.ukelikethepros.com. This version actually came from, of all books, the Daily Ukulele book, 365 songs. This is a great book, and it has a great section on holiday songs as well. Now, that's one book. I really like, this is one of my favorite books too, and it is in this book as well. This is a Christmas ukulele fake book. This is what I like about this is it's small, and it's got everything you need, the chords, the lyrics, everything you need there in it, and 250 songs? Who knew there were that many Christmas songs? But this is a great book. And then if you want to spice it up a little bit, if you're kind of into jazz and want to kind of move up a little bit here, this real Christmas book, this is actually a real book, meaning it's not for ukulele or guitar or anything. It's just got the chords, you got the melody. This one has some jazzy arrangements of the song as well. All right, again, where do you get that? You know where to go, store.ukelikethepros.com. All right, so grab your uke. I'm in just G, C, E, A tuning. My dog has fleas, except I have a low G on it. If you have a high G, totally fine. Now, 3/4 is kind of it's not a hard rhythm. It's just we don't see it a lot in a lot of songs, but for some reason, a lot of Christmas songs are in 3/4. So I want to get that down right here. So just grab your G chord. All right, I'll show you the strum pattern. We're going to go over the chords. I'll show you talk about the form, and then, like I said, at the end, we got the play along, which is fantastic. Again, get that for free. Just sign up below for that. All right, so grab your G chord. We're just going to do this. Real simple to start off as. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's it. Oh. The last up strum there. So all I'm doing is I'm just using my index finger. I'm just going to go down on beat 1 and then down, up on beats 2 and 3. And that's it. Just real simple. It does take a little bit of time to get used to if 3/4 is not something you do a lot, but just with a little practice, like everything, you can get it. All right, so check this out. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right, so that's just a real simple one. We're going to do it. It actually works really well for this kind of traditional song here. So what was I going to say? Oh, what am I playing here? I'm playing Koloha Mango tenor. Okay, this has been my new #1 axe. Normally I play a KTM 00 Koloha. That's a koa wood. I've been doing a lot here on this Mango tenor, which is the model number is KTM-00MG. Sorry, those are available at store.ukelikethepros.com. That's your #1 site to get all your ukulele needs. By the way, if you like these, get them, because I know I just talked to Koloha. They're actually almost out of mango wood, and then it had been a couple years before they had produced any of the mango stuff. So grab them now. stored at ukelikethepros.com, because once they're gone, you're going to probably wait a while for those. All right. Now, the form of this song, every chord gets one measure, except for there's a couple measures that have two chords, okay? So if we just did it real slow here, okay, there's your starting note. We wish, there's your first two notes. We wish, all right, so the D to G, and by the way, we are in the key of G, if I didn't go ahead and mention that. All right, so here we go. So I'm going to count you in, and this is a pickup. This first note, the song beats here, so like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. We wish, and then you're right into it, okay? So let's do it nice and slow. Again, we're going to do a backing track here in a little bit, but let's just do it slow. I'll show you the chords, and I'll show you some of those tricky measures. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. We 1, 2, 3, C, 2. Now the A. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, and 3. Now, I play my D chord a little bit different than most people. Sometimes you see it like this, 1, 2, 3. Some people do 2, 3, 4. I'm talking about my fingers here. I do it 1, 1, a little bar there, and then second finger, and then make sure you get that open first string right there. So that's how I do my D chords. Let's do that measure. We'll go on 1, 2, and 3, and then we're gonna go to a B7. Now, you can do a bar chord B7, which is actually really cool. I do like this, but we're just keep this universal for everybody here. Right here, just B7 for a measure, 1, 2, and 3, and then we're going to go to an E minor. Just move that shape down. 3, and then here's that first measure, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and 3. All right, so that's the first measure, the C to the D7. And again, you're going to see this, well, I didn't say this before, but you're going to see this again later, so get this down. It's just going to go down, down, up on beats 1 and 2, and then on beat 3, you're going to go to the D7 and then G, 2, and 3. All right, so let's try it now. I want to try everything we did without stopping. Here we go. We 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. All right, now sometimes when I'm doing that C, the D7, I just might hit one strum there, okay? Don't take the strum pattern I'm showing you. Like if you don't do it every single measure just like that, it's okay. It's okay. If you say, Terry, you left out an upstroke on that, it's okay. It's all right. Be loose with it. I'm giving you this foundation, and then you can kind of adapt it as you will. As a matter of fact, I'll even add some different accents from here and there. All right, don't forget too, if you're digging this stuff, check out ukelikethepros.com. We got fantastic courses up there. We got a amazing premium membership and a really awesome community. We call it the Ukelike the Pros Nation. Check it out, ukelikethepros.com. Come be a part of what we do over there. All right, so that's like the, I don't know, it's like the verse, but the next part goes like this. Let me just play it for you. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. All right, so this is the next part. It's very similar. Good tide. The melody's the same. The chords are slightly different. G, D, and E minor, A, D. So there's another measure, that E minor to A. 1, 2, and 3. 2 chords per measure, and then D, and then back to G, and a Happy New Year. Now notice that last part, C, 2 beats, D7 again, just like I told you from before, and then that part. All right, so let's do this part together, and then we're about to do it with a backing track, which is going to blow you away. Okay, here we go. I'll count you again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. All right, now we're going to do the whole form there 3 times. And at the last time, we're going to do something really cool. We're going to tag it. Okay, so we're going to tag the ending. So a Happy New Year and a Happy New Year and a Happy New Year. All right, so we're going to tag the last 2 bars, which is that C, D7, G, C, D7, G one more time, and C, D7, G7G, and then add a little tremolo roll if you want at the end. All right, so that would be kind of cool right there. All right, if you're digging everything, make sure to hit that like button, smash that like button, and leave a comment below. Did I like this song? What is your favorite Christmas song? I'd love to hear. Leave that comment below. Now, are you ready to do it with the backing track? Let's do it again. We're going to do like the whole form 3 times. Yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun if you want that backing track, get the sheet music, get it all. We'll put a link below. Go sign up for that right now. Are you ready? Come on. Show me what you got. 1, 2, we wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring for you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding and bring some right here. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. So bring some right here. Good tidings we bring for you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And a Happy New Year. And a Happy New Year. All right, how did you do? Fun little backing track, great song, not too hard. Get the lyrics memorized, get the chords memorized. It makes it so much easier to play. Are you singing? Let me know below. Also, how did you do? I like to rank it 1 to 5. 1 being, need a little bit more work. 5 being, you nailed it. You got the chords, you got the singing, you got everything there. So anyway, thanks for being here. I appreciate you smashing that like button. Leaving a comment, that helps the video kind of get out there a little bit more. Make sure to subscribe to that channel. Again, check out ukelikethepros.com. Come be part of Ukulele the Pros Nation. And then also, if you want this ukulele, well, this is mine, but a ukulele like this or any of the books, everything you want, stored at ukelikethepros.com. I appreciate you being here, and we'll see you next time.